Hi friends, today I am unboxing the Bluetooth speaker boAt 650. Let's see the content displayed on the box. It is available in three different colors: red, blue and black. These are the charging information: 5 volts, 2 amperes. Let's go inside the box. You can see warranty card, user manual on the speaker itself. My speaker is a blue color speaker. Let's see what else inside the box. Micro USB cable for charging, aux cable, you can plug in and play directly without Bluetooth. These are all the contents inside the box. You can see the controls here. Coming to the controls, this side actually nothing. You can mount it on a tripod. I've been using this speaker quite a while. 1099. I explain how if I get 1k likes. Overall, I'm impressed with the speaker. You can see the ports. You can open it. Like you can see the aux cable input, micro USB input, and a TF card. That is a plus. Let's start the speaker.
Power on. You're plugged into Nirvana. Your device is ready to pair.
Let's connect with Bluetooth and play a song.
You are now connected to
Already
boAt
played my
650.
Bluetooth speaker with my mobile, so it was automatically connected. You can see the battery here is 70%. Let's play a song. Play.
I'm lost in a city